How to change administrator in Windows 11. For that, first of all, you must be logged into your administrator account. If you're not logged in, then head over to the Windows icon in your device, and at the bottom left corner there you will see your account. Click on it, and from this menu box you can choose your administrator account to log in. Here I am already logged into my administrator account. So if you want to change the administrator, click on the search bar and then search for control panel. Under control panel, click on user accounts. Again, click on user accounts. After that, click on manage another account. So in this interface, you will see another account that you want to change to. You have to click on that account. After that, head towards your left hand side, and from there click on change the account type, and from here select the administrator, then click on change account type, and your newly selected administrator will be changed as your new administrator in Windows 11. After that, head to your previous administrator account. Again, click on change the account type, and from here go to standard and click on change account type so that your previous administrator will be changed into the standard account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.